Be careful, please. You just about ran into her head. Nice bear. Nice bear.
When can we play spoons?
Can you give the bear kisses? Hi, Leah. Oh, kiss the bear. Give bear kisses. Oh. Are you eating your bear?
You eat it, Daddy. Just like I am. Now you tried, Daddy.